Honda announced the return of the new Prelude at the 2023 Tokyo Mobility Show. Surprisingly, this stylish coupe is not fully electric but a hybrid model. While it will be available in Europe, the US availability is still uncertain. Honda introduced a red concept vehicle, giving it a sporty vibe. It features black 20-inch wheels and a carbon fiber body kit. The Prelude's design is expected to be very close to the production model. The vehicle is being engineered for both left and right-hand drive markets. Although it is planned to be a four-seater, it will likely have a 2+2 cabin layout. It remains to be seen whether the Prelude will be a two-door sports version of the hybrid Civic. The new Prelude will be showcased at the Goodwood Festival of Speed from July 11th to 14th.